Hey, welcome to this training video. In this video, you will learn why online courses and why it makes sense to create an online course. Alright, so let's jump in. So the first thing why you should create an online course is it gets you online presence. Now, it doesn't matter if you are a student, a working professional, an entrepreneur, or a business owner, you need online presence. If you are not online, it means you are losing a lot of opportunities. So first thing is you get online presence. The next thing is you can teach hundreds and thousands of people around the world. So you don't have to travel, you don't have to be present to teach them live. And literally once you create your online course, it can reach hundreds and thousands of people and they can learn on their own demand and you don't have to be present to teach them. Isn't this exciting? Yeah. So you can teach hundreds and thousands of people worldwide. The next thing is you don't need to be physically present for teaching the students, right? So once you create the course, it's available online. People can enroll for the course and they can learn by themselves. This is one of my favorite things about online courses. And online courses makes you money even when you are asleep. So in the morning, when you wake up and you see the notifications that, okay, somebody has bought your course and they're learning. How would that feel? It's an amazing feeling. So it allows you to make money when you are asleep. The next is it opens the door for endless opportunities. It means there will be a lot of people contacting you and asking you to teach them or train them or get the assignments. So there are a lot of things that happens and you will get a lot of opportunities once your course is online. And it's a one-time effort. It means you create a course one time and it pays you for life. It's a true asset that generates income without you putting in the work. And it's really amazing. And the best part is you make a difference in people's life. So you teach them, you either solve their problem or help them get one step towards their goal, and it can be anything. So literally you are making a difference in people's life. So that's why you should create an online course. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.